Hi everyone, I'm Kokaro, currently a first-year computer science student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because I can turn all my ideas into reality and design it all the way by myself through coding. Welcome to this 5 minutes tutorial. I will be teaching you how to create a very simple catch game which objects are randomly moving to all positions and you will have to catch them to score points. First, we choose a backdrop. Next, we choose a sprite. You can choose any objects you want. And now, we would like to make this hippo keep moving randomly to all positions. We will use this like 1 second to random position block. Drag this block. And I would like to make it start when I click this green flag. So, we go to events, drag this block. Now, let's try it out. The hippo is moving, but it only moves once and stops. So, in order to let the hippo keep moving randomly, we will have to use a loop called forever loop. This forever loop will keep the hippo moving randomly to any position. Let's try. The hippo now is moving randomly to all positions. Then, I would like to make the hippo move slower. So, I will change the timing over here to 1.75 seconds to random position. And the hippo now is done. Then we choose another sprite for the catcher, which will catch the hippo. And now I would like to make this one to be able to move left and right, up and down using the arrow keys on the keyboard. So now go to motion, and then I will use this block, change X by 10 to let the one to move to the right. And then the same, when I click this green flag, the one will move X by 10. And now I will introduce you a new block, which is a if-then block. This block is functioning as if the requirement over here is fulfilled, then the action inside this block will be carried out. So we will go to sensing to choose the requirement. And the requirement is over here. So now is when green flag is clicked, if right arrow key is pressed, then the one will change X by 10. Let's try it out. Click the green flag and press the right arrow key. The one is not moving now, right? It is because we are missing an important loop, which is the forever loop. It let the one can be continuously moving to the right if the right arrow key is pressed. So now we will add this forever loop over here. And let's try again whether the one can move or not. Yes, the one now is moving. And then we will repeat this concept for the up arrow key, down arrow key, and left arrow key. So now we will have to prepare 3 if-then blocks for each of the arrow keys. And then go to sensing, choose the requirement for each of the blocks. So this block will be left arrow, and then this block will be up arrow, and the last block will be down arrow. Then we go to motion. Again, change X by 10. But now, this time is -10. And then for the up and down, it will be change Y by 10. It's change Y by -10. Okay, then we'll put them all together inside the forever loop. Let's try it out. Now, moving to the left, right, up, down. Great job! The one now is moving to all positions. Okay, now the mission of the runner is to catch the hippo. So we will choose a key, which is the space key for catching the hippo. And then again, we use the if-then function block. So the requirement now is touching. We have to move the one to touch the hippo, indicates that the one is catching the hippo. So what will happen if the one touching the hippo? If the one is touching the hippo, there will be a magic spell sound. And then we will add another variable. We will make a variable and name it as score. Then every time we catch the hippo successfully, the score will change by 1 by using this block. Change the score by 1. And then we have to set the score to 0 every time we start the game again. So set score to 0. That's all. The game is done now. Congratulations, you have finished this tutorial. and try to make your own game with adding more and more sprites. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. I am a CodeSyster. Come join the fun and code with me. Goodbye!